Very much, and thanks for the opportunity to advertise the Medical Image Analysis Network. So this is really more of a commercial, and I try to make it quick, so there's not too much delay for lunch. So what is MedIAN? MedIAN is basically about building a community in the UK. We run several events, and there's a lot of emphasis on community building, and in particular we want to create a platform where we can easily share information, for instance particular job adverts. So about MedIAN, MedIAN is what we hope or will become the national medical image analysis community. It's a network of academics, clinicians, and in particular industry. So we invite industry to join this network, which hopefully there will be a lot of benefit for industry to join, because it will closely link to the academic side and also the clinical side. The idea is that this would enable new clinical research and tech collaborations. So we do already run workshops, we run networking events, we have a particular focus on early career support, so academics in postdoc positions or early career academics can greatly benefit from MedIAN. There's the opportunity to do exchanges between universities. We have funding for paying placements if you want to move for a couple of months to another place. So there's also other seed funding initiatives around the network, and all this is funded by the EPSRC. So the background, to quickly tell you where we are coming from. So originally the network, there were 8 networks in the UK founded. The medical image analysis one is one of 8. Initially it had a more focus on direct clinical applications. So we had initially a focus on colorectal cancer and cardiac imaging, but we basically now have broadened up the scope. So last year we got additional funding, which was called the Network Plus grant. So we now broadened up and basically try to become a platform, a community platform, instead of just focusing on one or 2 particular clinical applications. This is the steering committee. The MedIAN network is led by Alison Noble from Oxford. And really the idea is that you have this digital platform which you can use to find other people with similar interests. So that's the idea. You basically, when you log into the website, so it's median.ac.uk, you can create a profile. There will be, there is the opportunity to have individual profiles. You can have a company profile as well. You can put in your research interests, and then it shows where you are. You can go on a map, and then you can see where other people are with similar interests and so on. You should join, because it will hopefully give you better visibility, or even better visibility in the community. It can help you to promote your research. But in particular, really what we think is one of the most important things is that there is a common place where we can advertise jobs. I don't know how many academics are here who have difficulties in finding postdocs. Certainly companies we are approached all the time. They want our graduates. They look for people working in the space of machine learning, medical imaging, mathematical modeling. It's not easy to find those, and also for the graduates itself, it's currently not easy to find all the companies in the UK who work in that space. So the idea is all sign up there, post your jobs there, and then we have one place where it's easy to connect. So that's the idea. As I said, you can have an individual profile, or as a whole company you can sign up. We started in September with the website. At the start we had about already 30 companies, so definitely GE is there. I know Chris Foley signed up. We have a lot of startups, SMEs, but also all large companies are there. If your company is not there yet, please do sign up. We do run events, as I said. So we had already one event in September, the Code Fest, that was by invitation only, because it was kind of a trial run. That was a kind of hackathon on medical imaging. We invited mostly PhD students from Centre for Doctoral Training across the UK. So we had people from Cambridge, Warwick, and of course the participating universities, Imperial, Oxford, and King's, and UCL. That Code Fest was a success. People really liked it. So people came together for 2 days working on medical imaging problems. We gave them 2 challenges. One was in the space of augmented reality, virtual reality, and the other one was on deep learning. So people worked on for 2 days on trying to come up with some deep learning research questions. And in December, so an upcoming event is for early career researchers. a sandpit event where the idea is to develop innovation and collaboration skills. So we invite, in particular, early career researchers to join this event. Some pictures from the Code Fest. So this will be run again. So because it was successful, we will run it again next year. We will broaden it up. So we will have an open invitation so people can apply and sign up. And it's usually a very fun and really like enjoyable event. And many of those people haven't met before, but they now think about working together. So some really nice ideas came out just out of 2 days. And then PhD students from different universities grouped together and they want to continue working together, which is really, really great. I already said jobs, so we have a big emphasis on having that job board, which is not active yet. So if you go on the website now, there are still some issues with the website. So in the next couple of weeks, everything should be up and running. The main contact, so I'm happy to share the slides if you need to know this, but it's of course all on the website. The last thing I want to mention, so because it's a community, there's also a lot of emphasis on social interaction. We have an active, very active Twitter account, and as soon as you sign up with the MedIAN network and you tweet something on Twitter, they will definitely retweet. So it's a nice thing because it will basically give you more visibility. So sign up with them, follow the MedIAN UK Twitter feed, and you can only benefit from it. So that's the website. Please do join. That's the link again. If you have any questions, just come and ask during lunch. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Ben. Questions? That's pretty cool, actually. I will certainly join.
Cool.
Okay, so I think everyone is ready for lunch. Thank you very much.